Good morning. My name is Arush Srivastav. Today I am telling the life cycle of a silk moth. So let's start. First, a female silk moth lays some eggs on the mulberry leaves. As you can see that the female moth lays some eggs on the mulberry leaves. As you can see here. Then after the few days, a larva comes out of the egg. As you can see, the larva comes out of the egg. As you can see the leaf, it crawls on the leaf, and it is the primary stage of the larva. In this stage, the larva only eat and grow and sleep. Then, when it is fully grown, then it goes into the resting and transforming stage. And it makes a protective cover around himself, and this protective cover is called cocoon. As you can see, the larva made the cocoon around itself, and it is inside the cocoon. Then when it is a transforming stage of the larva too. In the cocoon, the pupa was making into the adult moth. So after the few days, it makes a hole. It is trying to make a hole into the cocoon, and into the 2 to 3 weeks, it makes a big hole that it can come out of the cocoon. And when it comes out, it looks like this. As you can see, this is the adult moth, which is flying, and it is fully grown. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Kavya Bisht and I study in grade 4. Today I am going to tell you about the life cycle of a butterfly. So let's start. So tiny eggs are laid by a female butterfly on a leaf. Around 5 days, worm-like creatures hatch from the egg. Second stage, the larva of a butterfly is called the caterpillar. It is the eating and growing stage of a butterfly. Third stage, a fully grown caterpillar enters to the third stage called pupa. It is the resting or the transformation stage of the butterfly, in which the caterpillar hides inside in the chrysalis. From the pupa, butterfly emerges to the adult butterfly, and the life cycle begins all over again. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Yes Pandey. Today I am going to tell you about the life cycle of frog. First, there are tiny eggs laid by the female frog in water or in wet place. After 21 days, a worm-like creature emerges from that egg, which is known as tadpole. This tadpole has no leaves, but has only a tail. This tadpole breathes through gills. After about 1 month of this, its legs are started growing, its tails become smaller, and lungs formation start. After about 1 month, its tails become much smaller, legs are grown, and the lungs development starts. And finally, its legs are fully grown, tail is disappeared, and lungs are developed to live on land, to hunt and live. The process by which the tadpole changes into an adult is known as metamorphosis. So this is about the life cycle of frog. Thank you and have a nice day.
I know the secretary and the president. Today I am going to tell you the life cycle of a fish moth. This life cycle is very small. Firstly, female silk moth lay eggs on the mulberry leaf. In the second stage, caterpillar emerges from their eggs. This caterpillar eats and grows in size. The third stage, called pupa, is the transforming stage of that caterpillar. This caterpillar spins the web outside it and forms a pupa. This pupa is called cocoon. After 2-3 weeks, the last stage of the silk moth is done. This pupa. In this pupa, there is a small hole in which the adult silk moth emerges, and the whole life cycle is repeated. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Samaya Kanya of grade 4. Today I'm going to tell you the life cycle of a silk moth. So let's begin. First, the female silk moth lays eggs in a mulberry leaf. It hatch and it becomes larva. Larva is also known as caterpillar. Caterpillar eats mulberry leaves and it start growing in the pupa. Pupa is the third stage. In pupa, the pupa makes a net around it after 2 or 3 weeks. It is also known as cocoon. Pupa makes a hole inside the cocoon and it becomes adult silk moth and it escapes the cocoon. Now the female silk moth lays eggs and the process begins. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I am Talika Joshi from grade 4 and today I am going to tell you about the life cycle of butterfly which is my favorite insect. So let's start. This is the life cycle of butterfly. So let's start with eggs. Tiny eggs are laid by female butterfly and after 5 days later, teeny worm-like creatures hatch from these eggs, and then larva. Larva is also known as caterpillar. It is the eating and growing stage of the butterfly, and then pupa. Pupa is the resting stage of butterfly in which the caterpillar hides inside the chrysalis, and then this butterfly. From the pupa emerges the butterfly. So this was all the life cycle of butterfly. Eggs, larva, pupa and butterfly. Okay, thank you.
My name is Saurav. Today I explain the life cycle of plant. These are eggs. This is so tiny and he change into larva. Larva have not eyes and legs. He change into pupa. Pupa is the stage of
resting stage, and this is adult. It is a worker female ant, and this is a male ant, and this is a queen female ant. Thank you.
Friends, good morning. My name is Pandit. Today I am telling you life cycle of frog. First, this is a female frog lay egg, and after 21 days, this is 1 month old tadpole, and then 2 month. This is 2 month old tadpole, and its legs are starting growing, and the lungs are start formatting, and its tail was become smaller. After 1 month, this is made 3 month old tadpole, and its leg was are properly grow, and lungs are now properly formed, and then it is make a adult frog. Thank you.
My name is Arshisha. Today I will start the video of life cycle of frog. This is an egg of frog. Now this is a 1 month old tadpole, and this is a 2 month old tadpole, and this is a 3 month old tadpole, and this is a adult tadpole, and the repeat. Thank you.
My name is Agustin. Today I am told about life cycle of frog. A life cycle frog first stage is eggs. This is found in wet place, and the second stage is 1 month old tadpole. This shapes like fish, and a third stage is 2 month old frog, and third stage is name is 3 month old frog. They have lungs to breathe in land and gills to breathe in water. An adult frog has a gills and water to breathe land and water, and it has not tail, but 3-month-old frog has tail, and 2-month-old frog also tail, but adult frog has no tail, but it has gills and lungs to breathe water and land. Thank you. Morning everybody. Good morning my all of the friends and my all teachers. Today I am gonna tell you the interesting life cycle of butterfly. So let's start it. Now you can look this paper here. Our first step is here. The first step name is butterfly. The butterfly give us eggs. So I have to tell you something about the eggs. You can look the eggs. Second step. So the eggs. In the eggs there are larva caterpillars for 2-3 months. After 2-3 months, larva caterpillar come out of the eggs. And our third step is larva caterpillar. You all can look here. Larva caterpillar. So now I will tell you some facts about larva caterpillar. Larva caterpillar. The larva caterpillar don't eat food for 2-3 months because he make poop pupa from his food. This is the fact about lava caterpillar. 4. Pupa. Pupa is that thing in which the lava caterpillar become butterfly and the lava caterpillar live in the pupa for 1 year and he not eat anything, and this is the resting stage of butterfly. And the hardened outer layer of pupa is chrysalis. So then after all these things he done, lava caterpillar have done, he become a butterfly. This is the interesting life cycle of butterfly. So everybody, thank you so much and have a nice day. Goodbye to my all friends and my lovely teachers. Bye bye everybody.